When I was younger, I used to run around on my tippy toes a lot, so my mom just put me in dance when I was 3. Now it's a part of my personality. Engineering is tough, so anytime I'm feeling frustrated or academically stuck, I can emote those frustrations through dance. It helps me have a balance between technical growth and emotional growth.
Tori's biggest strengths that I've observed are time management. She's involved in a lot. She's a BMed student who's going through our rigorous curriculum and getting really good grades. She's involved in Orchesis, the dance company on campus. She's involved in teaching dance, and she's involved in the research.
This past year, I was the Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion Chair for SWE. SWE is the Society of Women Engineers, and it exists as an affinity space for non-male engineers because STEM is a super male-dominated field. Once I found my place within SWE, I wanted to contribute, so I joined the officer team.
A lot of students could do each one of those things. To really package all of that into her day and week is really impressive.
In high school, I was training at a pre-professional level, so anywhere from 20 to 40 hours a week. There was a couple times that I auditioned for professional companies. They have like summer programs. So I could have danced with like Ballet Chicago, Ballet West, Milwaukee Ballet. With my interests in diversity, equity, and inclusion and tissue regeneration, wherever those two interests takes me, that's where I want to go. I have no specific goals for a dance career, but I know that I would not be able to survive without dance. So I definitely will be dancing, whether that's like in my garage or if I find a studio.